All right, 1993 Dodge W250 was painted about 5 years ago. Custom built bed, 8 by 7. Was originally a single rear axle, converted to a dually, fully rebuilt rear axle with posi traction. Diamond Eye 4-inch exhaust, Jobox brand side boxes, front axle, bearings, brakes, shocks. Engine has 14,000 miles on it, rebuilt. 62 millimeter turbo with a BD diesel exhaust housing.
So how many miles did the truck have on it originally?
Truck has 127,000 on it.
All right.
This is what they call, I guess, just a base model. Rubber floor mat, manual window, manual door locks. Seat was reupholstered. Tilt column.
So we got
air conditioning.
A little bit of a crack there, but not too bad. So this would be the overall mileage on the body.
Overall mileage on the body and the transmission.
And what were the gauges?
Gauges, ISSPROs, turbo, or boost, pyrometer, and trans temp. Does have brake controller. No rust in this truck. It's a really solid truck.
Really, the only flaw I guess I per se seen in the body is just a little bit of cracking on that seam.
Seam sealer.
So this is the fill point.
There's a fuel fill there.
Really don't think there's hardly a nick anywhere in the bed here. It's beautiful shape.
I put cardboard down to haul anything. This does have a B&W gooseneck receiver there. Real simple application.